Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up membership tiers on Patreon step by step in 2026. So if you're planning to monetize your content or just want to organize your supporters better, this will help you get it done fast. First, log in to your Patreon account. Once you're inside, head over to your creator dashboard. This is where all your earning tools and settings are located. Now look at the left sidebar and click on memberships or tiers. This is where you can create different support levels for your audience. Click on New Tier or Create Tier. Here you'll set a name for your tier, like Basic, Standard, or Premium. Keep it simple so your audience understands it easily. Next, choose your monthly price. You can set it as low as $1 or higher depending on your content. Then add what supporters will get, like exclusive posts, early access, or behind-the-scenes content. Once everything looks good, just hit Publish. Your tier will now be live and visible to your audience. And yeah, you can always edit it later if you want to change anything. And that's it. You've successfully set up membership tiers on Patreon. Simple process, right? If you found this helpful, check out more tutorials to grow and manage your creator page more effectively.